Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre, and å eie, å eie, å eie. Verbs of ownership and belonging in Norwegian. In the intricate tapestry of the Norwegian language, understanding the nuances of verbs relating to ownership and belonging is crucial for both learners and seasoned speakers. Among these, å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre, and å eie, å eie, å eie stand out as fundamental yet distinct expressions. In our discussion today, we will delve into their meanings, usage, and subtle differences, providing insights that can enhance both comprehension and expression in Norwegian. Understanding å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre. The verb å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre translates to belong to in English. It is used to indicate that something is a part of or associated with something else, often emphasizing a sense of belonging or affiliation rather than outright ownership. This verb is particularly useful in context where the focus is on being a part of a larger whole or a member of a group. For example, denne boken tilhører biblioteket. Denne boken tilhører biblioteket. Denne boken tilhører biblioteket. This book belongs to the library. Huset tilhører en gammel familie. Huset tilhører en gammel familie. Huset tilhører en gammel familie. The house belongs to an old family. In these examples, å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre is used to indicate a relationship or connection that does not necessarily imply ownership. It's more about being part of a larger entity or group. Grasping å eie, å eie, å eie. On the other hand, å eie, å eie, å eie is the Norwegian verb for to own. It conveys the concept of possession and property rights over something. This verb is used when the focus is on the legal or personal claim one has over an object or an entity. Jeg eier en bil. Jeg eier en bil. Jeg eier en bil. I own a car. Familien eier et stort stykke land. Familien eier et stort stykke land. Familien eier et stort stykke land. The family owns a large piece of land. In these instances, å eie, å eie, å eie is clearly about possession and legal ownership, emphasizing the rights and claims one has over something. Nuances and usage. While both verbs relate to the concept of having, the usage is context dependent. Å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre often implies a less permanent, less exclusive, or more relational form of possession than å eie, å eie, å eie. It's important to choose the right verb based on the nature of the relationship with the object in question. Temporal or situational belonging. Use å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre when something belongs to someone only in a certain situation or for a time. For example, denne pennen tilhører min kollega mens han er her. Denne pennen tilhører min kollega mens han er her. Denne pennen tilhører min kollega mens han er her. This pen belongs to my colleague while he is here. Emotional or relational connection. Å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre is also used to describe emotional or relational connections. For instance, jeg tilhører denne klubben. Jeg tilhører denne klubben. Jeg tilhører denne klubben. I belong to this club. Emphasizes being part of a group rather than owning it. Legal ownership. Use å eie, å eie, å eie when referring to legal ownership or when the emphasis on the rights associated with owning something. For example, hun eier huset hun bor i. Hun eier huset hun bor i. Hun eier huset hun bor i. She owns the house she lives in. Mastering the use of å tilhøre, å tilhøre, å tilhøre, and å eie, å eie, å eie is a key step in grasping the subtleties of the Norwegian language. These verbs not only enhance linguistic precision, but also offer insights into cultural nuances around concept of ownership and belonging. Whether you're navigating legal documents or expressing personal relationships, understanding the distinction between these verbs can enrich your communication in Norwegian, adding depth and accuracy to your conversations. Do you want to take Norwegian courses? We are offering Norwegian classes at all levels A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. If you're interested in Norwegian classes, just go to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no. We offer classes in classrooms in Oslo or online, wherever you are right now. We also have a referral program. So if you're interested and if you have a friend that wants to learn Norwegian, if you refer a friend, you will earn or you will get $150 and your friend will also get a reduction in tuition fee of $100. So this is a win-win situation. So just go to nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no and search for Become a Partner. Become a Partner. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.